questions from basic size 16.3 and many questions we had done. Let's continue further. I am taking question number 34. 34 has got two parts. Okay, and you see A part is having boundary like this, and I think so we have done some questions like this. 34A. 34B is a new type of question. Let's do 34B part. Okay, 34B part says that in the figure given below, a piece of cardboard is given in the shape of trapezium ABCD. So the shape is like a trapezium ABCD. Okay, these two sides are parallel to each other, and yes, these two parts are parallel. Here this angle is 90 degree, and we are having a quadrant like this. Let's draw it properly. It might not look in the figure like a quadrant, but it is actually a quadrant, and the trapezium is A, B, then is C, and there is another one D. Then this is E, and there is F, that is in the some part here like F, and then there is yes, F only. Then what the question is given? In the given, so some portion is shaded. Which portion is shaded? I am shading it. They have colored in the book, but I am not doing that one, so I am coloring it. Now what the question is asking, they are saying calculate the area of the remaining piece. So they are saying it is in the piece of a trapezium and a quarter circle BEFC. So B or BC, okay, BFEC, yes, BFEC. So this quadrant of the circle is removed, and so what they are saying, removed. Calculate the area of the remaining portion. That means what this shaded portion is appearing, that only we have to calculate its area. Now see here, you are knowing the formula that which is for the calculation of the area of trapezium. What is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Yes or no? So are we given the data also for something? Yes. BCD is 90, AB is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to DC, these are parallel sides. So AB and DC are the parallel sides. So length of AB and BC is given. So first of all, we calculate the area of the trapezium. So right here, area of, I am trying to write big, area of trapezium, so that those people are having some issues of viewing, they can also be area of trapezium. And I'm also checking that some shiny portion is not visible to you. Yes, I'm writing it below only. Area of trapezium will be equal to half into sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides here? AB and DC. So length of the parallel sides into height. What is the height? Height will be BC, because that is perpendicular. I hope you will recollect this formula from class 8th, and some portion is shining on the board, so I will write the formula a little bit below. So I will write it again. So I'll write it a little bit below so that you can view it properly. That's why you can see that in the videos I'm going many times below also. Means at the back I'm watching that how is it visible to you. So AB plus DC into BC. So that is the formula for the area of the trapezium. I hope yes, not is visible. So I've not written it equal to near that equal to sign, but it is visible now. Okay. Then, so see, there are different formulas that you have to recollect also. So these things must be known to you, and in the question they are assuming a lot of things that you are knowing already. Okay, so that thing also. And again, I'll request and recommend that you please take care of the formulas that you have to learn for the. So see, this question might not be a direct question because see, their trapezium is also involved here. So according to the reduced syllabus, trapezium should not be there. But if this question is asked from the circle perspective, then certainly you have to do it. Okay, so area of trapezium. So half into AB into BC into BC. Are we knowing these dimensions? AB and BC we are knowing, and DE we are knowing. AB and we are knowing AB. So what is AB? AB is given to us in the question. AB is 3.5. 3.5 centimeter. BC is also 3.5 centimeter. AB and BC is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now DE is given. Now see, don't you feel that if this is BFEC is a circle, then C must be its center, and this BC and EC will be equal. So write here as BC and EC are, better lighting is there, EC are radii as BC and EC are radii. Therefore, BC equal to EC equal to how much? 3.5 centimeter. Now, this is something that you need to extract from the questions itself, right? I hope it's the board is perfectly illuminated. Okay, so power failure was there, so no problem. So then BC and EC we are knowing. Also DE is given. DE is given. What is the value of DE? DE is given as 2 centimeter. Therefore, now see, DE is known, EC is known. So can you know now DC? So that therefore DC is equal to DC, that you know DC Comics, your Superman character is this is from DC only. Okay. So then DC equal to DE. That is a very bad joke, but take it. What to do? DC plus DE plus EC. And what is DE? 2 centimeter plus EC is 3.5. So 3 to 5, 5.5 centimeter. It's equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now see, we have calculated the length of the parallel sides, and also we know now the height of the trapezium. So now we can readily calculate the area of the trapezium. What will be that? We will be equal to half into AB plus DC into BC. So that therefore area of trapezium, this is quite an easy chapter, I feel. Sum of parallel sides. What are some of parallel sides? That we have formula already written. Now only you need to substitute the values. AB is 3.5 and DC is your 5.5. So 5 plus 3, 8, 9 into or multiplied by BC. What is BC? Is also 3.5. You need to write here centimeter square. I guess the dimensions are in centimeter. Yes, they are. So 5 plus 3, 8, 9. 9 into 3.5 by 2 centimeter square. I think so. since they are not directly divisible, so let's keep them as they are. Now see what the other thing that we do is, calculate the area of the circumference, this quarter circle. So right here, area of quadrant of the circle. So what is the area of the quadrant? See, quadrant means quarter. So 1/4 into pi. R is what here? R is 3.5 square, centimeter square. Now, I think so you can calculate some value of it, because again 3.5 to 3.5, somewhere you have to go with that only. So therefore area of shaded region is, area of shaded region what will be that? Now we can subtract from the trapezium. So 9 into 3.5 by 2 minus 1/4 into. Now it might be also given in the question. If it is given specifically, you have to take that the area, the means value of pi. So here nothing is given, so I am taking here 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Now the question is just like now removing the means value, you have to take it out. So 7 5 is 35, and 1 3.5 you can take outside the bracket also. So 3.5 outside the bracket. So 9/2 will be how much? 4.5. And then what remains? 1/4 also remains, na? So 22 into 0.5. 22 5s. So 5 to is 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 to is 11. Means half of 22 is 11. 11/4 is how much? 4 2s are 8. 4 7 are 28. 11/4. 4 2s are 8. 9 4 7 is 28. And 4 was a 20. It should be 2.75. That is value of 11/4. 2.75. And yes, centimeter square. Do not forget to write the units at any place. So 4.5 minus 2.75. How much that will be? So 3.5 multiplied by, what the value will be? So from 2 you subtract 4 minus 2 is 2, and so make it a proper decimal subtraction. You can take the vertical subtraction also in the column 1 minus. So it will be 1.75. 1.75 centimeter square. What the value will be? So 3.5 into 1.75. I am doing it on my rough copy. So please practice it like that, because eventually you have to practice things. And then we'll start the last exercise after some time, means probably in the next lecture. Okay, so that product will be 6.125 centimeter square. Let us match the answer, that is the same answer you have got or not. Continuing further. So it is 16.3. 34th question, second part, 6.125. So that's the correct answer. I don't think so this question is at all tough. Only thing was for me to show the necessary information regarding this, because First of all, here two things are involved. One thing is the trapezium, other thing is the circle. So the area of circle you calculate first. No, first you will calculate the area of trapezium. In that calculating the area of the trapezium, this portion was the some burden here because BC was not given to you directly. DE was given, and you consider that C is the center of the circle. So since C is the center of the circle, this BC and EC will be equal. So once BC and EC are equal, then what will happen? You will calculate the area of the trapezium. You will calculate the area of trapezium using the formula of what? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Once you have calculated the area of sum of parallel sides into height, then what will happen? Then you will calculate the area of the quadrant of circle. You must write their quadrant because the question also mentions quadrant only. So which formula you use? 1/4. 1/4 of pi r square. So 1/4 it is there. So 1/4 you can go with that also, and then you calculate it simply like that only. Okay. I hope this makes things clear to you. Nothing much difficult. And see, in the next class we will be starting with the surface area and volume of solids. Now see, as regards the reduced syllabus, I'll read it again. I will continue reading it for you. Then see, after circles and triangles, there is this thing, C part. C part is what? Surface area and volume of 3D solids. In that also they have mentioned cube and cuboid. Okay. So problems which will be based on cubes and cuboids, that will be dealing in the next class.